Hello everyone and welcome to the next instalment of these driving videos. In this next video I'm going to give some commentary as to some of the decisions I'm making as the video is going along real time without any pauses, just so you can see the speed at which some of it is made. Let me know what you think and hope you enjoy. So as we come in this bend, we've obviously got some red lights, so I need to just slow down and treat this as a give way. So I've talked about this before, so sirens off and wait to see and give the traffic time. But we've never encouraged people to go through red lights, but as you can see, these two have gone through and held the traffic, so I've progressed on through. Really good of them, but unexpected. So coming through the truck now, obviously you can see traffic is fairly heavy, so again just picking my moment, holding back, waiting for some positive deflection from this truck. There it is just then, so the hazards have gone on from the truck, so I know they've seen me and they're going to then make an effort to get over to the side. There's my space, through we go. Coming up to the roundabout again, positive deflection from the cars in front and really good effort from the van to stay over in that bus stop for me as well. There's the space between the car in front and the roundabout, so progressing on through. As we come through this bridge, obviously I've got a van in front of me coming under the bridge, so I have to just hold and wait for the deflection. There it is, there's nothing approaching, so that we go through. I'm turning right as well as the traffic in front of me, so it's just giving those cars time to find the space and then round to go. The lorry has seen me as well, so they're going to deflect over to the left, and there's my space through the middle. So as I'm progressing down through the hatchings again, so I'm just having a look, keeping an eye out for where those spaces are going to create, making sure that the cars in front have seen me, and the cars coming towards me have seen me as well. So there's the space, and through we go. Really well held by the white car to allow that space to open up. Approaching the roundabout, really good deflection from the white car on the left. The van is going to progress through, and I like this bit here because this van actually accelerates to make space. So if you watch this van here, it accelerates through and then pulls left to make the space for it. So a really good piece of awareness from that van. That was really well done. Progressing through over the roundabout, good deflection from the Polo. And again, coming up to this roundabout and I'm turning right, as is the van turning right. So they're already signalling, so I'm going to come down here. Don't cut too soon across the nose of the car. Conscious of the cyclist, progressing up the hill. As you can see, the traffic is fairly heavy as well, so as we go up here as well, just keeping an eye out for the deflection of that car. There it is, so over it goes to the left, leaving the space for me, and through I go. Progressing down here anyway, you can get 3 cars in a row down here. So keeping an eye for the deflection from the cars in front of me. So the white car is going to move over to the left just now, and there's my space because the other one with the roof box has stayed over to the far side. The truck has slowed, but there isn't the space, so I pull back in again just to wait for the space, and there it is, and then around we go. So I'm turning right at this roundabout, so as I'm approaching, I'm just having a look to see what's coming from the right hand side, and there's nothing on it, so progressing round. As I exit the roundabout, nice and clear, so down we go. One car just joined from the garage, has just pulled out now, so I just have to ease out and round into the space. Coming up to the roundabout again, nothing coming from the right and nothing on, so progressing through. Coming up to this roundabout again as well, so the same thing, there's traffic on it which has slowed, and I'm going in the same direction. Great deflection from that car in front to move right over, as was this minivan as well, and progressing down to what is a fairly clear run now. I'm going to leave the commentary there, and thanks very much, and let me know what you think of it, and hopefully this will just get better with time as I have more practice. Thanks very much.